Welcome everyone. This is Joe from JM Food Trips plus Retirement Plans channel. Tired of US politics? Ready to retire in the Philippines? Before you sell everything and book a one-way ticket, stop. Watch this first. Asia, particularly the Philippines, can offer a completely different retirement lifestyle, but the dream only works if your money, healthcare, legal status, and backup plan are ready. Don't retire on impulse. Retire with a plan. Here are 5 things you need to do first. 1. Calculate your retirement income and expenses. 2. Visit the Philippines and experience everyday life, not just vacation life. 3. Research healthcare, housing, and your preferred location. 4. Check the latest visa and immigration requirements. 5. Rent first, don't buy property immediately. I understand the politics and changes happening nowadays seems impossible to have a decent retirement. At times, we don't even have a choice. We need to find ways to live a comfortable retirement life. But staying and living in a Western country seems impossible to achieve this retirement dream. That is why many expats chooses to live abroad to stretch their pensions and lifetime savings available. Feeling exhausted by the political noise, high expenses, and nonstop stress in the US? If you're seriously thinking about spending your retirement years in the Philippines, don't pack your bags yet. None can blame expats if most wanted to run away from the dirty politics in their country. However, retirement isn't just about escaping politics. It's about building a retirement life that is financially sustainable, legally secure, medically prepared, and personally fulfilling. Don't retire on emotion. Retire with a plan. If you're a senior and considering retirement in the Philippines, here's a strong angle. The Philippine Retirement Authority confirms that the Special Resident Retirees Visa, SRRV, is one official pathway for qualified foreign retirees. For visa details, the official PRA also provides current SRRV forms and requirement checklists. Check in the Philippine Retirement Authority PRA website, SRRV requirements, https://pra.gov.ph. Again, follow these important steps first. 1. Calculate your real retirement budget. This is the most important factor. Living abroad will not be possible if you do not have regular income. Know exactly how much you receive from Social Security, pension, investments, or other retirement income. 2. Visit before you move. Don't choose your retirement home from YouTube videos alone. Stay in different areas and experience the weather, transportation, healthcare, food, and daily life for real. Be there, feel it. 3. Choose your location carefully. Metro Manila, Cebu, Davao, Iloilo, Bacolod, and smaller provinces offer very different lifestyles and costs. Choose the area that fits your needs and your demands to adapt. 4. Check your healthcare options. Research hospitals, doctors, insurance, and emergency care near your potential home. There are multiple health insurances abroad that is available for expats for roughly $500 for the entire family. 5. Understand your immigration status. Foreign retirees need the appropriate legal status to stay long-term. The Philippine Retirement Authority administers the SRRV program for qualified retirees, while the Bureau of Immigration handles immigration matters. Check the latest requirements before making plans. Philippine Retirement Authority 1. 6. Don't rush into buying property. Rent first. Live in the area for a while before making a major real estate decision. Personally, I don't suggest to buy a major real estate abroad. There are numerous rental properties often available in the area you chooses. Rental properties that are decent, comfortable, and affordable, such as apartments, condos, townhouses, and units in every part of the Philippines. In fact, I got one for you if want. This way, you can also enjoy every part of the country. 7. Keep an emergency fund. This is the second most important factor. Your retirement plan should include unexpected medical bills, travel, family emergencies, and currency fluctuations. 8. Plan your Western country or U.S. financial life. Before relocating, understand your taxes, banking, Social Security, Medicare considerations, investments, and estate planning. Sort out your Medicare and your properties first, like your house and any investments. Do not cancel or stop your Medicare benefits. Believe me, it will be your lifeline when you grow super old, sickly, weak, and decided to go back in your country. 9. Test drive retirement. Try living in the Philippines for several months before making the move permanent. Let your feet wet first. Try the culture, traditions, language, and every detail in living comfortably, like the reality and challenges of homesickness. 10. Have a plan B. Keep enough money and flexibility to return to the US or relocate if your circumstances change. This is another important factor to consider. Be ready for anything that can happen and you need to relocate or change your lifestyle immediately. Another very important piece of advice to some expats: do not use your money and savings to score in young women who offers you one-night stand. And worst, to put all your eggs in one bucket for intimacy. The poverty level in Asia is unimaginable. Many will try to do everything to feed their families, and some to experience some relief by using you or any expats as sugar daddies or sugar mommies. This is the sad truth. On the other hand, there are some men and women who are diamond on the rough. When you find them, don't lose them. Asians are very thoughtful, caring, loving, and values traditions. They will endure hardships in life and its challenges for love and friendships. These people will not let you down for better or for worse. They will fight for you until death. But again, know and find them first. Absolutely. Retiring abroad can be exciting, but it also comes with real disadvantages that people sometimes overlook. Here's some major disadvantages of retiring abroad. 1. Healthcare uncertainty. Healthcare quality, insurance coverage, and emergency services can differ significantly from your home country. 2. Visa and residency rules. Requirements can change, and maintaining legal residency may require documentation, income, or periodic renewals. 3. Currency exchange risk. A weaker dollar can make your retirement budget less comfortable. 4. Distance from family. Visiting children, grandchildren, or relatives can become expensive and difficult. 5. Language barriers. Everyday tasks, medical appointments, banking, and legal matters can be harder. 6. Cultural adjustment. Things that seem charming during vacation can become frustrating when they're part of everyday life. 7. Taxes and financial complications. You may have tax obligations in both countries depending on your circumstances. 8. Property problems. Buying or renting abroad can involve unfamiliar laws, contracts, ownership restrictions, and maintenance issues. 9. Less familiar support system. Being far from people you trust can make emergencies more difficult. 10. Political or economic changes. Inflation, government policies, natural disasters, or instability can affect your retirement plans. The biggest mistake? Choosing a country because it feels affordable on vacation without testing what everyday retirement there is actually like. If you're considering to retire in the Philippines specifically, ask me. For more advices, tips, and guides about retirement abroad, particularly in the Philippines, ask me. Write your comments below. I read and respond to every comment fast. I can share you many valuable informations and step-by-step guides. I can tell you the sad and brutal truth or the best possible outcome of your plans. I can assure you many expats retired in the Philippines successfully. They found their partner in life and built their happy and simple life. It is not too late for you. You can still do it, but you need to be very careful, wise, and aware. If you like and enjoyed this video, please support the channel by clicking the free like, subscribe, and share button below. For more retirement and food adventures, follow and join me in my next video. Click the video next to me. Thank you so much.